Hi everyone, welcome back to 3-2-1 Strong. It's Marin, and today we're going to be foam rolling our tricep muscles. So to begin, bring your foam roller to a flat, even surface. We're going to place it next to our hip or sit right beside it. With our palm facing up, we're bringing the upper arm, the upper back of the arm, down on the foam roller right above the elbow. Now I like to gently relax my head on the bicep, but you can play around with it. The upper hand here is on the ground for support. We're going to engage our core, lengthening the torso so that the foam roller rolls up towards the back or top side of our armpit, and then we're going to squeeze the core, allowing the foam roller to roll back down towards the upper elbow. If you feel some tender or hot spots, relax there for 30 seconds, just allowing it to work out, and then continue rolling from the top of the back of the elbow all the way up to the armpit for 10 total times. We're going to do this on one side and then repeat on the other.